Welcome to DESTINE Module 1, Introduction to Diversity, Tolerance and Equity. This module aims to provide an introduction to the concepts of diversity, tolerance and equity and their importance in promoting a safe, inclusive and democratic society. This module will provide a variety of descriptions, self-directed learning activities and useful tips to achieve the intended learning outcomes. This module introduces the theoretical understanding of diversity, tolerance, and equity. These concepts will be explained in detail, and additional supporting terms such as inclusion, social justice will be introduced. The positive effects of diversity and tolerance in society and the relationship between diversity and tolerance will be achieved by the end of the first learning content. Towards the end of the module, there is a self-directed activity to help learners identify different aspects of diversity and how they contribute to a more inclusive society. Useful tips given at the end will provide learners with tips they can use to put the learning outcomes into practice. The second content will provide learners with a deeper explanation of diversity and inclusion. The difference between equality and equity is explained in detail, and different aspects of these terms in different environments are presented. Towards the end of the module, there is a self-directed activity designed to help learners reflect on their own actions and behaviors in relation to diversity and tolerance. At the end of the module, useful tips are given to improve the practical application of the theoretical understanding of the learning content. In this module, learners will understand the basic concepts of diversity, tolerance, and equality and their importance in promoting a safe, inclusive, and democratic society. On completion of this module, learners will be able to apply the concept of diversity to society and explain the terms diversity, inclusion, and equity in detail. The self-directed activities and useful tips provided at the end will support better practice in real life. We strongly recommend that you take a look at the useful reading section to deepen your knowledge and understanding of the terminology and how it is reflected in real life in society. Congratulations for completing the DESTINE Module 1, Introduction to Diversity, Tolerance and Equity. We hope you benefit the module at best and enhance your skills and competences towards inclusion, diversity, and equity. As key takeaway puts forward, diversity, tolerance, and equity are not just buzzwords, but crucial elements for creating a fair and inclusive society where everyone can thrive.